Okay, you can see we have lots of objects here and we want to align them based on each other. So if you select, for example, these 4 cube, for example, if I change the color of them fast, sorry for that. Yeah, for example, if I select them, you can see these two will be appear. You have to select them. Okay, you can align. You can see these icons, they're aligned to the left. Very simple. You can see we can align to the left, and after that you select it, you can align to the center of them, center of the selection. You can see if I cancel it and Control Z, you can see this box, the selection box of them. It's aligning based on the center, based on the left of this box, based on right of this box. That's it. Base of left, base of center, base of right, and a space horizontally. And you can align to selection bounds. This bounds that is selected before, this is selection bounds. Based on that, for example, based on the center selection bounds, you can make it based on the spread, again based on margin of that, first based on the first selection, last selection, but selection bounds is better. First selected object, last selected object. If you select spread horizontally, this will be appear here. It's automatically distribute, or you can turn it off, and based on this you can align. Nice. This is horizontal. If you select object like this, you can align them vertically. Vertical to the left, vertical to the center, again bounding, spread, margin, first selection, distribute, space, auto distribute, no, turn it off, and based on this number that you type here, it's distributed based of that. And if you want, you can apply it. Okay, another thing is make same. It's interesting. For example, we have 2 object that has same different rotation and different widths and heights. You can select them and come here. You can make same widths. You can see make same widths based on the first selection. You can activate aspect ratio. You can, it means it's change the width and the height together if you want. Or turn it off. You can make same at the height, or you can make same rotation. You can see it's based on the first selection. For example, if you want to make same this, you have to first select that, then second, and then make same rotation. You can see the first selection here is very important. If you select it first, it rotates everything based on the object that you selected. Make same rotation. You can see every rotation is the same. It's very useful. And then you can apply it. Okay, that is align tools.